Hello everyone. Finally, we able to make first 100 videos of advanced ecom series, and in this video I will show you that how you can able to download these first 100 videos, okay, after becoming the premium member of the Stack Developers channel. Okay, so see this code we have done, this website stackdevelopers.in. We have done up till shopping cart. We able to make first admin panel. After that we able to do this home page, this menu, okay, you can see, and this slider menu, you can see the slider banners, okay, we can able to add from the admin panel, and this left sidebar, okay, categories, subcategories, sections, and these featured products, latest products, okay, all are coming from the admin panel. Okay, you can able to see that we are showing the discount as well. Okay, so you can go to any of the detail page as well. Okay, so and listing as well, you can go to listing as well. Here you can see that we able to do these filters as well, okay, all in Ajax. Okay, so we have upgraded all in Ajax. You can see all are we have done in Ajax, and after this one we able to do the detail page, and this is the detail page. We able to do the zoom feature as well. Okay, and see this one also, prices are also coming in Ajax. Okay, so, just you need to add them properly and the prices will come from Ajax as well. You can see the prices will change if you will update the price. Okay, so you can able to add these products in your card as well. You can see that you can able to add products in card, and card also we have done in Ajax as well, and you can able to upgrade the quantity, okay, reduce the quantity, and you can even remove the items all in Ajax. Okay, so we can able to login register as well. Okay, so login register also we have done. If you have account, you can create your account. Okay, and after creating the account you can able to log in as well. Okay, so this one we have done, and you can see that this we have done. If you will put the right email, then you can able to log in. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, no issue. We will register new account 9812345678, and rate of eofmail.com, and this one okay, so you can see my account has come. We able to register and we able to log in as well. Now my account has appeared. So we able to do all this in up till 100 videos. We able to do all this, and we will continue doing. And you can also check its admin panel as well. Admin panel we have upgraded earlier, and so this is the admin panel. We have done the update admin password, we have done the update admin details. After that we have created the sections, men, women and kids, and we have created the brands as well. Okay, so we have created the categories module as well. You can add the multiple categories, subcategories as well. Okay, then after that we have added the products as well, okay, under those categories, and after that we have done the banners as well. Okay, so all this we can get. If you want to get the code, you will get the code easily. Okay, so this is the code, app and http, and you can see the controllers. Here we are maintaining all admin controllers, and here all are front controllers. Okay, so we are also maintaining our sources, views, everything we have made in proper way. Like admin folder have all the admin modules, and front is having all the front modules. Okay, so everything is systematic way. Okay, so public CSS, here also you can see the admin CSS and front CSS. So all the files are in their folder. Okay, so everything is systematic. Okay, nothing is means scattered. Okay, so this is the high quality code you can able to see, and I am explaining this thing in our video tutorial as well. Okay, so you can able to get all this if you want. This you just required to join the channel youtube.com stack developers, and after just you need to click on join link. Okay, so here you will see the premium stack developer. Okay, click on premium stack developer to join. Okay, so just join the premium stack developer and get this code. Okay, so not only this one, much code you are going to get. You will get the complete e-commerce website code. You will get the basic e-commerce website code that I have already shown you. That basic e-commerce website code you will get with this one as well. Okay, so this is the basic e-commerce website code, 200 videos in this one, and this is the complete e-commerce website with the 2 payment gateways. Okay, with complete admin panel, with the charts as well, reporting as well. Okay, export feature as well, means there are complete everything is complete in this website. Okay, so this website you can get, this is the complete e-commerce website that you can get. Okay, I already explained. So this one you can get. Okay, and along with that you will also get the dating website as well. Okay, so the dating website also you will get. And you will also become the part of the live sessions, and you can interact with me directly on Facebook. Okay, anytime. Okay, so I will really help you. So join the channel. So join as a premium member, and you will get really beneficial. Okay, and support the channel. Okay, so I will also show you that offline as well. See this here, go in now new terminal folder, php artisan serve, and the code is already okay. So here we can run the offline as well website. Okay, so do join the channel to get first 100 videos, and also you will get the future videos, future code as well. Okay, complete advanced e-commerce website you will get even if you will join the channel. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.